feedback. From in inside feedback, you can see the overall user ratings, food rating, service rating, cleanliness rating from here of your particular outlet. And then in settings, from here you can add after how many minutes the customer should add feedback from here. For example, after 2 minutes, if you want to give any loyalty points for the feedback, you can add it from here. You can add minimum bill amount to give the feedback. For example, 150. If the customer doesn't have 150 bill amount or above, then he can't give any feedback. From here you can select that, and you can select ask question on service, ask question on food, ask question on cleanliness, ask question on comment, ask customer information. If you want all this tick, you just click on this settings, and it will be enabled, and click on save, and the settings are saved. And responses, from here you can see the feedback response. You can apply filter from here and click on run. From here you can see the comments, the feedback comments for your particular outlet. From here you can see item rating report of your particular item in your outlet.